You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce it. Most generally in English, this name is going to be pronounced as Keva. Some may say it as Keva. It's of Irish origin, by the way. If you want to learn more Irish names pronounced, stay tuned, I've got more for you. It means gentle or beautiful, precious, so it's a beautiful name. It's generally pronounced Keva. Some may say it a bit more as Keva, but no, generally Keva. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.